welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing and then demo of the Syncwire Lightning to 3.5mm male audio cable. It is a 3.3 foot cable and basically allows you to connect your iPhone or iPad, anything with a lightning port, connect the audio out directly into an auxiliary jack. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Now there is a little user guide in here, just so you know, has warranty information and stuff like that. And here is the cable itself. And you can see you've got your lightning port on this side that'll plug into your phone or your iPad. And then over here you have your male audio cable. So this would allow you to like plug your phone into your car's audio system through the auxiliary jack or into a stereo or any type of speaker that has an audio jack. You just plug this into the iPad or the iPhone and plug this into that auxiliary jack and you can get sound out of there. You can see it is a 3 foot long wire. You do have this nice Syncwire cable organizer. It's like a Velcro cable organizer, so you take that and you can wrap this around and keep if you don't need the entire 3 feet, you can organize it that way. You can see the cable is a nice cloth cable. It's very malleable. I don't know if I'm saying the word right, but it's very bendable, flexible, easy to get it where you need to go and bend it if you need to, but at the same time, very durable. Nice nylon braided material. So very high quality cable, well made, and also you've got the ports that you need to get sound out of your iPhone or your iPad. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Let's jump over really quick so you can see this guy in action and see how it works. So you can see we're sitting in my car and I have one of my videos playing here on my iPhone, and I've got that Syncwire audio adapter plugged into the iPhone, and the other end is of course the auxiliary jack. I'm going to plug that into the auxiliary port on my car.
Cool. I do this. Look at that. That's like magic. And this is called the beverage center. First of all, you have a couple of...
And so now you can see I'm getting audio from the phone through the auxiliary cable into my system, my speaker system in my car. Of course, you can do the same thing with any speaker that has an auxiliary jack.
Trays here where you can access stuff easily without actually going into your refrigerator. But here's your beverage center. This pitcher automatically fills up with water every time you put it in there. If you have it set to...
That is all going through the auxiliary port in my car, thanks to that Syncwire iPhone auxiliary out adapter. So by plugging that into the phone, you can get your audio out of your iPhone and into anything that has an auxiliary audio jack. So a really, really excellent product by Syncwire. If you're looking for a good cord, a good adapter to do this, you can't go wrong with this one by Syncwire, not only because it does a great job getting audio out, but that nice braided nylon cord, very flexible but very tough. Really, really great product and definitely one I would recommend. And that is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.